You may think that making breakfast is pretty simple. You toss some egg, cheese, and veggies into a pan and stir until you have an omelet. But making an omelet is more related to chemistry than you might know. To begin, I used a small Teflon pan in making the omelet.
The egg is a major ingredient that is included in an omelet. The yolk is made up of lipids and polysaccharides, and the egg white serve as a protein.
The egg white serves as 11.1% of the daily protein. An egg also contains micronutrients, an essential nutrient for our brain, found in the yolk, along with containing a high cholesterol, specifically in the yolk. Heat from the stove caused the butter to melt because the molecules were moving at a faster rate, causing the particles in the butter to melt.
Stringy cheese comes from the separation of the fat molecules, creating a reaction in the cheese
when melted.
The cheese helps give flavor to the omelet. The macromolecules that are included in cheese are protein in the form of enzymes, and milk that is the fat.
Ham can also be added to an omelet. Ham is high in fat and protein and contains macromolecules that are high in cholesterol,
such as thymine. Cheese also contains many micronutrients such as calcium that aids the growth of bones and phosphate, the role in the enzyme reactions. Ham is the red juicy meat sometimes added to an omelet, and its fat contains flavor from the animal's food. The red juice liquid protein from within the muscles. Red juice is a liquid protein from within the muscles of the ham. The high temperatures cause the muscles to shrink, taking the juiciness away from the meat. It changes the protein structure so that this reaction would be endothermic. I also used a non-stick spatula so that the egg would not stick to the spatula, causing the omelet to break.
The biggest chemical reaction that occurs while making an omelet is in the egg. Eggs have protein muscles, and protein muscles change shape when you heat them. The energy which is given through the cooking, or kinetic energy, breaks some of the chemical bonds, which also could be known as intermolecular bond or a covalent bond in the protein, and this allows the molecules to take a different shape. Thus, this gives the egg a more edible texture so that it is more enjoyable to eat. We can now reflect on the many ways that science has to deal with our real life. And creating the perfect breakfast is always affiliated with chemistry. In order to create a delicious omelet, you must investigate the chemistry within the cooking first.